Hi there, and welcome to this tutorial on setting up two-factor authentication for your account. Multi-factor authentication, also known as MFA, provides a second layer of security that stops anyone else from accessing your account even if they know your password. To enable 2FA, log into your account using your email and password. Go to Account Settings, then click on Profile and Organization Settings. Scroll down to the Security section and click Enable 2FA. You will be redirected to a setup page that will take you through 3 steps to activate 2FA on your account. Download an authenticator app such as Authy, Google Authenticator, or Microsoft Authenticator. Scan the QR code you see on screen using the Authenticator app. The app will generate an activation code. Paste that into the input box and press Submit. Your account is now protected. Anytime you log in, the system will ask you for a one-time code you generate using the Authenticator app downloaded earlier. To disable 2FA on your account, log into your account using your email and password. You will be prompted to enter your one-time 2FA code. Go to Account Settings, then click on Profile and Organization Settings. Scroll down to the Security section and click Disable 2FA. We hope you found this helpful, and remember, enabling 2FA is an important step in protecting your account from unauthorized access. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching.